I'm Rlra and I'm going to discuss what is antenna. An antenna is an electrical device which converts electric power into radio waves. It is an essential component in equipment such as cell phones, telephones, televisions, broadcasting computers, and satellite communication. In transmission, a radio transmitter supplies radio frequency electric current to the terminal of the antenna, and then the antenna now radiates the energy of the current as electromagnetic waves. In reception, an antenna intercepts some power of the electromagnetic waves in order to produce tiny voltages in order to be amplified in the receiver.
To understand it further, let's first discuss how does radio work. Electronic charged objects produces electric field in form of electromagnetic waves or EM waves. The height of the wave is the amplitude, while the length is the wavelength, and the cycle per second is the frequency. Typically, an antenna consists of an arrangement of metallic conductors electrically connected to the receiver or transmitter. Radio transmitters produces radio waves in range of frequencies by changing the amplitude or frequency of these waves. It travels through a cable to the antenna called the feed wire. There are many types of antenna which depends on the range of frequencies. Some antennas are called omnidirectional, which sends or receives signals in all directions. Others called directional antennas focuses only in one direction. Once the signal is transmitted, it reaches its destination in number of ways. High frequency travel in straight lines and short range, while low frequency bounces in the surface of the earth and can reach distant stations. To sum it up, antenna is a vital component in any communication system which is both used in the transmitting end as well as the receiving end. Antenna is basically a transducer which is made up of a long conductor. At the transmitting end, it converts electric energy to electromagnetic wave and then radiates to free space. At the receiving end, it receives electromagnetic waves and then transforms them to electric signal, which acts as the input in the receiver. Here's the basic types of antenna. Monopole antenna, dipole antenna, Yagi-Uda antenna, random wire antenna, horn antenna, parabolic antenna, and patch antenna. We can observe how antenna works by using our radios at home. This is the antenna, a rigid metallic structure which receives the radio waves and is electrically connected to the receiver. As you will hear, the receiver will receive a clear signal when the antenna is properly adjusted. But when we move the antenna in other direction, the signal will be distorted.
O di naman kaya, simpleng bahagi ng ating nakaraan, mga taong naalala po natin out of the blue. Mga taong nais mong pasalamatan, mga naging bahagi ng iyong nakaraan na nais mo lang sabihin na, uy, alam mo ba, hindi ko nasabi sa'yo na nasaktan mo ako ng panahon na yun. And napatawad na kita. Kaya ka na share mo sa amin. Sa aming website, www.loverradio.com.ph, and who knows, mabigyan dangan. At the oras, 18 minutes after the hour of 10 o'clock on a Wednesday evening, ang ating unang sulat ay galing po kay Nika para kay Ken. Si Nika po, mga kaibigan, ay 20 years old sa Tagapaco, Manila, at si Ken naman ay 23 on board po. Barko siguro ito. Siya po ay nasa bandang Singapore. Mga kaibigan, ng kabuuan ng letter ni Nika for Ken, pakinggan po natin.
TLC
True Love Conversations.